Alright, you guys. I'm here. My dog Sydney. And we are gonna go into here. Come on, Sydney. Come on. We're gonna go over here. And we're gonna give her a spoonful of peanut butter. So we're in here. We're about to give her a spoonful of this peanut butter. And I'm gonna record it. Come here, Sydney. Alright, you ready? Right. This is gonna be good. This is good already. Okay, Sydney, you got it pretty good. Okay, Sydney, you're good. You want some more? You want to finish it, don't you? Just want to finish the spoon off. You sure you got it all? I'm pretty sure you got it, Sydney. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure you got it. No, you're just looking solid metal now, Sid. That was good while it lasted. Good girl. You're a good girl, Sid. I love you. Good girl.